Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about portfolio website. Yes, today we want to make a portfolio website with a free domain, free hosting, and completely free within a few minutes. So this portfolio website will be very awesome, I think, and you can easily make this portfolio website within few minutes and just like this one. And I think this portfolio website help you to get your clients, and you can easily do from your computer within a few minutes. So let's get started. Okay, so you are my new viewers in the channel. Please subscribe the channel because I am sharing very helpful content for you for your freelance journey or your entrepreneur or agency owner. So definitely all video will be very good for. So today we want to create a portfolio website within a few minutes for your personal portfolio. I think this website will be very good. So we want to start. First of all, we want to create a WordPress platform with our free domain and hosting. So how can we do this? So first of all, we want to go Pantheon.io. So I want to jump. So when you will search on Google Pantheon.io, you will see this website Pantheon.io. So I want to just click here. After that, you will see this kinds of interface. So you should just click here, get started. Okay. And you will see the option create an account and sign up for a free Pantheon account. Yes, this is very important to start. So here you can start with your Google account. Also, if you want, you can put your email address, then you can continue. So I want to continue with Google, and I want to select my one email address here. So I want to click here, and then you will see the option continue. I want to click here, and it redirect automatically with my Google account. So this is the first option when you will enter with your Google account. So here it is. Please write your first name, last name, and select your country. So you want to complete the process. After that, you will see the agreement option. So you should click here. So here is another one. Yes, I would like to receive marketing costs, so I don't want. So I just click here. I agree the Pantheon terms and service. So I want to go the next step for the continue. Okay, so after that, you will see the next option, login with Google. Normally, most of the time you'll see the dashboard, but sometimes you will see this kinds of interface. If you will see, you should click here. Then you should select the same mail, and that will redirect to your workspace. Okay, so this is the workspace. Here you can create your domain with Pantheon, and also you will get the hosting. So this is completely free service. So you will you did not get the exact domain that premium, but you can use like the subdomain with Pantheon, but that fine for your portfolio website. And I think this this system help you to get free domain hosting and make a portfolio website for the beginner people. And if you want to get premium domain and hosting, you can check out the description, and I hope that you can easily buy best hosting, and definitely you can buy your domain. Okay, so I want to click the next option. Here the two option. Number one is create new site, and another one is migrate existing site. So I want to create a new site. Okay, so here it is, and there are lots of platform here, WordPress, Drupal, and other things, but I want to select this one because this is very easy to create our beautiful website. So I want to click WordPress. Then you will see this kinds of interface, and name your Python website. So this is very simple, and just put your name, and then Python will add some other things like your name dot python site.io, or just like subdomain, but it help to create your free portfolio website. So okay, so I want to put my name here. I mean SEO. I want to check it's available or not. Okay, so I want to continue, and I want to see the username issues already exists. So I want to, I'm in SEO expert. Okay, so I want to select this one, and I want to continue again. Oh my god, it's already exists. So I want to do the another thing. I'm in SEO Pro. Then I want to continue, and I want to check, and maybe I will get this one. Definitely, I believe that. So I want to go. Yes. So after that, you will see this kinds of interface, and I want to explain everything. It needs times to deploy, so you should wait for few minutes. It depends on your internet connections, and I think within 1 or 2 minutes it will be complete the process, and you will see the next option. Okay, after a few minutes you will see the deploying WordPress will be completed, and it depends on your internet speed, so you should wait, and then you will see the option of visit your Python site dashboard. So I want to click here, and now we want to create our first website. So we want to click the site admin. Okay, so I want to click here. This website you can use for your portfolio website. Also, if you want, you can practice your WordPress website design development, and you can also practice some on-page SEO purpose. So I think this website will help you to get lots of things, and I think this is a very cool thing with a free system. Okay, so I want to select English, and then I want to continue, and I want to select the site title and username. So I want to write right now. Okay, here is some option you should fill up. So number one is site title. Already I have wrote I'm an SEO expert, and the username, that it depends on you. You can easily write your username that you want. Also, you will get the password. You should write you should put the same, but if you want, you can change, but I don't want to change. And another one option is your email. You should put your email. And then the last option is search visibility and search engine visibility. And if you want, you don't index this website on Google, you can just click here, but definitely you don't do this because you want to index your website on Google. But I have a premium domain, and I have a portfolio website, so I want to create this tutorial for the learning purpose. So I want to check it because I don't want to index, but please don't do this. Please don't do. I want to click install WordPress. Then you will see the login option. I want to click login, and I want to remember this website login access because I want to log in the next time. So I want to log in. And yes, finally, this is our WordPress website dashboard. And right now, we want to create our portfolio website with this platform and that we have made. And my website name is Deb. I'm in SEOpro.Pantheon.io. So this is not bad, I think, because all the elements and all the system just like free, so you can easily make your website with this platform. Okay, so I want to visit right now my website and I want to see how it is look like. Okay, so this one, and this is very simple, just like blog. So we want to just create this website, like this kinds of website that will be our portfolio website. And if you want, you can easily do within a few minutes, because this is very simple and you can do with Elementor. So I want to just start the next step, and I want to go there, my dashboard. And first of all, I want to add a plugin called Elementor. And after that, you will see Elementor website builder, and 10 million people already use this plugin. Just awesome. Okay, so I want to install and I want to active. Okay, so here it is create my account. So I don't want to create anything. I want to skip and continue with hello theme. No, I want to skip. Then you will see some additional feature settings. So if you want, you can do this, but I want to go the same thing, skip. Now this is the final option. Choose a professional design template or import your own. Edit blank canvas. So I want to select this one, right one. So here are a lot of things, but I don't want to use. I want to go back my dashboard. So how I will go there? Just see the URL and go back. Okay, this one, and I'm just back with my dashboard, and I want to just add another plugin, that is starter template. So I want to click add new plugin, and I want to search here starter. Okay, starter templates for Elementor, this one. Okay, so I want to click this one, and I want to click active. And after that, you will see the option AI website builder, and the another option is classic starter template. So I want to select this one, and I want to just select my portfolio website, a demo that I have already explained and showing a first time. So I want to select here for the personal site. Then I want to click portfolio. Here you will get lots of template, but most of the template is premium, but we want to go with free, because I have already said this tutorial we will make a lot of things just like free. Okay, so I want to select this one. Then you will see how it look like. So this is good and awesome, I think. So I want to continue. Then there are a lot of things. If you want, you can check, but I want to just continue. Okay, after that you will see the option here. I mean first name, and I want to see your expertise level, so I just select expert, and if you want you can fill up all the things, but I don't want. I want to just submit and build my website. So it's take time, so you should wait, and we are just waiting for this, and we are so much excited to see our portfolio, free or portfolio website. Okay, so we just wait. Okay, so here is the final stage, and this is our website. I want to check and I want to visit our website, how it look like. So this is awesome, I think, and definitely this is professional website you can use for your portfolio website, for any kinds of portfolio like website developer, web designer, or some other things. Okay, this is awesome, I think. So if you want you can easily do this, and I think this tutorial is already gone lots of time, so I want to make the second part. So if you want to get the second part, please comment, and second part I will explain everything. How can you change the menu, how can you change your button, hire me, also how can you change all of things here, right? Just like your social media icon, your the text here, your image, and lot of things. If you want, please comment below, and please subscribe the channel for the next video. I think this video is very helpful for you, and please take care and see my other video. I think all video is helpful for you, and take care.